What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, if you remember, in the last few days, the KZN Premier Tamin Duli actually informed the nation that Mkwanazi is out of KZN, and General Mkwanazi had gone to Gauteng to meet with Ramaphosa, and there Ramaphosa actually had gone there, to actually reveal that Senzo Mchunu is interfering, with law enforcement, and he's like sabotaging, their efforts. So one of the key things that General Mkwanas actually touched on, it is that of this guy called Katiso Molefe. So Katiso Molefe was actually arrested in December 2024 in Senton, and after the police had gone there to try and arrest Katiso Molefe, they were then met, with other police officers there as they were like trying to disperse them for them not to arrest Katiso Molefe. And it's some of the things that Mkwanazi was talking about and saying there is this confusion that is occurring. And even News 24, they actually explained, that there are two factions that are occurring at the South Africa Police Service. And the first faction is these guys from like Pegicele, Fani Masemola, Advocate Tefo, and the other faction is involving Senzo Mchunu, General Sibia, and this other guy that I've forgotten his name. So it's a challenge at the moment, if it is true, because these guys are going at each other like that. So what is currently going on is that the members of parliament are taking this a step further, and they're actually calling for General Mkwanazi to appear before a parliament and explain even further on these allegations against Senzo Mchunu. And we are guaranteed of one thing, that General Mkwanazi is prepared to go there to parliament and speak. Because that guy, if you look at the files, at the old files, he's been speaking for quite some time. But obviously, not everyone is convinced and happy about it. Just today, I've been seeing Rise Mzansi leader Songezo Zibe, and he was saying it's abnormal, for a senior police commissioner to hold a press conference in the full camouflage gear of a specialized assault unit. He was saying those who have sworn to protect us, are ready to go to war with one another over an evidently broken law enforcement system. But obviously, listening to that statement, so many people were not happy about that statement. But that the guy was speaking the truth, the Rise Mzansi leader. It's not normal, for a senior police commissioner to be holding a press conference in that camouflage gear and speaking like that. Obviously, we support, what General Mkwanazi was saying, but it's not normal. It's not a normal scenario that is occurring. And the last statement by Songezo, it explains everything, where he said an evidently broken law enforcement system. So that's what he spoke about. But the unfortunate part is that he didn't give a solution as to how this issue, the way he described it, is abnormal, on how it can be approached or solved. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.